Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download cPanel backups from A2 hosting easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download cPanel backups from A2 hosting, start by logging into your A2 hosting account. Navigate to the cPanel section. Click on the backup icon in the Files section. In the backup page, you will see options for full backups and partial backups. For a full backup, locate the Full Backup section. Click the Download a Full Website Backup button. In the drop-down menu, select the destination for your backup. Choose Home Directory for a local download. Click the Generate Backup button to create your full backup. Once the backup is generated, you will receive an email notification. Check your email for the download link to your backup file. Return to the backup page in cPanel when you are ready to download. In the Backups Available for Download section, locate your recently generated backup. Click on the backup file to start the download process. Wait for the download to complete. Once finished, verify the backup file in your Downloads folder. You now have a complete backup of your cPanel account from A2 hosting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.